Hey guys, today we gonna do the room tour and I actually made it with that. We inside here and this is my fan and this is my board for I forgot. Okay, Daddy gonna hold my phone. This is my room tour, and this is my car collection, and this is my table. It's my homework, and look at this. So many things down there. And this is marker for I write it on. But this is to write. Erase it. You know, this car is whoa. This car, it actually lights up. See? Oh. This car too. Oh. And open the back. And open the front. I lost my light. And did you see I opened the door? It's not working. What? It didn't work. I think this one is broken. Oh, whoa. And this is my picture. And I love Alpha Alexa and Combo Panda and Ryan and Peg and Gil. I draw her name, but I can't draw her name. And this is family. And this is Ryan Superhero, but I can't draw the name. And this is Gus, the Gummy Gator. Oh, sorry about that. And this is all the car in here. What? See, Mater and Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen. And Major is so small. Major is so small. I could have put it